This is David from YourPST Studios, and today I'm going to show you a very simple way to find your system information, such as your computer name. Let's go. Alright, so I'm on Windows 10 Pro, but in order to find it, it is extremely simple. You click on the Start menu, you type in the word About, and then you'll see About Your PC. You click on it, it will load up for you. And it will show you your device name. It will show you your operating system type, Windows 10 Pro, the version you're on, the experience pack you're on. You can see how much RAM you have installed, what type of processor you have installed, all that information. That fast. Well, if you liked the video, hit like, subscribe, check back for more amazing content. Thank you. Have a happy coding journey.